The roots of fulfillment. Most thinkers, philosophers of the world, opine that self evolution is a natural desire and tendency of every living being. In fact, this is what lies behind one's quest for progress and joy. All efforts, all competitions, and struggles for worldly position, sensual pleasure, ego satisfaction emanate from this very cause in the deepest depth, though we don't realize it because of our extrovert attitude and illusions of letting the worldly substances and circumstances as the key to a treasure of joy. One earns money with hard work and keeps saving it to get more and more. Why? Because he feels it like a source of joy. But the same fellow might spend his savings in gorgeous arrangements of his child's marriage. Why? Because that might give him a feeling of greater pleasure of making his child happy, or gaining prestige in the society, or what not. A dacoit risks his life in bringing huge wealth in loot. But what does he do of it? He might just throw it in drinking liquor, because for him that might appear to be a greater source of pleasure than saving the money or using it some other ways. If the savings are consumed in religious alms or treatment of disease, one does not feel as bad as one would if the same amount was lost due to burglary. So, what we see common in all these examples, and perhaps in every action of our life, is that one opts for what he or she feels or thinks as more satisfying. Although this satisfaction or joy might be just circumstantial, illusory, and short lived, deeper thinking would indicate that the root of this quest for joy or fulfillment lies beneath the sublime core of eternal quest of the self for ascent, for betterment, for unbounded evolution. Then we would attempt for the absolute unalloyed bliss, ultimate fulfillment. Akhanda Jyoti, June 1940.
हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाएं ताकि आपको नोटिफिकेशंस मिलते रहें।